Hello, namaste, vanakkam, namaskara. How are you all doing? Hope you're all doing good, right? आप सब कैसे हो? நல்லா இருக்கீங்களா? Hama, this is Flying Skies One. Welcomes you all to watch pretty good videos and offers. Swiggy Instamart, based on a holy celebrations, has given offers bonanza. All the products are below 50 rupees. Sweets, thandais, and many more. Do check it out. Delivery charges would be from 5 to 25 for orders above 99 rupees. And all the products that I have unboxed here are below 50 rupees. I have brought gujia mold set of 2 pieces. I've got it for 8 rupees. And one more is gujia mawa dry fruits. It's a pack of 12, 400 grams. The best before date is 2 months. You can go for this because it is very tasty, and this costed me 49 rupees. And the delivery charges would also be free for few of the people. This t-shirt for kids is for 49 rupees, but the quality is not good. One more flavor is available with coconut stuff of gujia, haldirams, and it comes with a pack of 12 pieces, 400 grams, and the best before date is 2 months. See, this is how it looks. Is it tasty? Now I'll show you how to order on Swiggy Instamart. When you go to Swiggy Instamart, right on the home page, you'll find celebrations on loop, shop for holi. So when you go there, you'll have different options. Holi high, rang barse. Here you find all the Holi festival deals that are on, or give gujia or gulab jamun or any other sweets that you wish to have. So you can add it to cart. Cash on delivery is not available. The delivery charges, again I repeat, the delivery charges would be according to your location and the slot you choose. It will be 5 to 25 rupees. Different types of coupons are available right over there. You can choose. If at all the cart value is 29, the delivery charges would be less if you go for order value 99 rupees and above. Happy celebrations day. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Flying Skies One. Keep smiling.